Welcome to the My Student Pilot channel. My name is Dan, and in this video, we will be discussing how to master crosswind landings. Also, if you are enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel for the latest in pilot training and career advice. Crosswind landings. For many pilots, especially student pilots, they're the most intimidating part of flight training, especially if you ever landed in a crosswind without the proper correction. The plane sliding to one side of the runway upon landing can be a little scary. But not to fear, because once you master crosswind landings, you unlock a whole new level of confidence in your flying. Today, we're breaking down the art of crosswind landings so you can approach them with skill and control. Here's the challenge. When wind blows across the runway, not straight down it, your aircraft wants to drift. If you don't correct for it, you could land sideways, veer off the runway, or worse. That's why mastering this skill is essential for safe flying. With the right technique, you can make smooth, controlled landings, even when the winds aren't playing nice. There are two main techniques to handle crosswinds, the crab and the side slip. First, let's talk about the crab method. On final, you point the nose into the wind, called crabbing, to stay on course. Just before touchdown, you kick the rudder to align the nose with the runway and land straight. Then there's the side slip method with the wing low. You lower the upwind wing using aileron, then use opposite rudder to keep the nose pointed down the runway. You'll land on the upwind main wheel first, then the others. Both are valid. The side slip is often preferred for light aircraft because it gives more control all the way through touchdown. Here's the secret to smooth crosswind landings: precision and practice. Use small, smooth control inputs, no jerky movements. Stay on center line with coordinated rudder and aileron. And most importantly, fly the airplane all the way through rollout. Don't stop flying just because your wheels are down. As the aircraft slows down, keep correcting for wind until it no longer has an effect. I personally have taught my students to use a combination of both methods, crabbing into the wind on final approach. Then about 1/4 mile out, side slip to align with the runway, with the upwind wing lowered into the opposing wind and opposite rudder to remain on center of runway. If you use only the slip method, then use the slip from final approach all the way to touchdown until plane slows and aileron control is no longer effective. Start practicing in light crosswinds with an instructor. As your skill grows, so will your comfort level. And remember, every landing is a learning experience. Stay focused, stay coordinated, and don't be afraid of the wind. With time and practice, you'll be handling crosswind landings like a pro. Your future in the cockpit starts now. Go to mystudentpilot.com and enroll in our airline pilot fast track course or private pilot in 4 months course. And please subscribe to our channel for more career advice on becoming a pilot and pilot training. Thank you for watching.